Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2022 BMW S1000RR M package. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2022 BMW S1000RR M package with 8,119 miles runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, traction control, cruise control, heated grips, TPMS, an electronic suspension, a quick shifter, navigation, and an onboard computer. It's been upgraded with aftermarket mirrors, an Akrapovic exhaust, a rear fender eliminator kit, a plate bracket, aftermarket turn signals, swing arm spools, a Puge windscreen, handlebar guards, front and rear traffic cameras, and carbon fiber body panels. We have installed a new front tire. Powered by a 999cc transverse 4-cylinder engine, the S1000RR puts 205 horsepower and 83 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 4.4-gallon fuel tank, the S1000RR has a 120 to 160-mile range. It has a 32.4-inch seat height and a 427-pound wet weight. To pass New Hampshire State inspection, this S1000RR will need turn signals with sufficient visibility and bigger mirrors. As mentioned above, this bike does not pass New Hampshire State inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, installed the new front tire, and the rear is at 330 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. We found no blemishes above normal wear for a vehicle of this year, mileage, and type. This bike has 2 keys, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike has been through our premium program. It received an inspection, service, repairs, detail, and comes with a comprehensive warranty for the first 30 days and 1,000 miles, and continued powertrain warranty for a total of 90 days or 3,000 miles. For additional program details, please review the full program and warranty section in the listing. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.